Several National Electrical Code, or NEC, issues can arise with the described theatre installation. Firstly, regarding simultaneous opening and overcurrent protection, or OC, circuit breakers such as the 200 amps main breaker, or MBR, do not provide simultaneous opening and overcurrent protection for line and neutral conductors. This is required for the disconnect of the dimmer racks. Secondly, concerning backfeeding, the National Electrical Code generally prohibits backfeeding or supplying power to a circuit from the load side of a device. This includes backfeeding a panel from a dimmer rack. Thirdly, regarding line of sight visibility, the disconnect for the dimmer racks must be readily accessible and within sight of the dimmer racks. Backfeeding the MBR may make it difficult to meet this requirement. Some mitigation strategies to consider are as follows. 1. Use a listed disconnect. Install at Underwriters Laboratories or UL approved disconnect specifically designed for simultaneous opening and overcurrent protection of line and neutral conductors. 2. Install a separate disconnect for dimmer racks. Install a separate disconnect, such as a fuse switch or circuit breaker, for the dimmer racks. This will eliminate the need for backfeeding the MBR. 3. Reposition the MBR. If possible, relocate the MBR to a more accessible location that allows for clear line of sight visibility to the disconnect. 4. Clearly mark circuits. Ensure that all circuits are clearly marked to identify their function and any special requirements. Additional considerations include adequate grounding. The chain motors and dimmer racks must be properly grounded to ensure safety. Electrical inspection is a must. Have the installation inspected by a qualified electrician to ensure compliance with all applicable National Electrical Code requirements. In conclusion, while it may be possible to mitigate the potential National Electrical Code issues with the proposed installation, it is strongly recommended to consult with a qualified electrician to ensure that all safety and code requirements are met.